Good day everyone, good day. I welcome you to this presentation on radioactivity. So here I've got two questions. So first one, we're going to start with this one here. Iodine is a radioactive substance with a half-life of 8 days. What fraction of iodine will remain after undergoing a series of disintegration for 32 days? So here what they want is the fraction, to show the fraction of this iodine that will remain after 32 days. And we know when you talk of half-life as the time taken for a radioactive substance to decay by half. Okay, so here now to try to answer the fraction. So when answering for fraction that will the fraction that will remain after 32 days, here we'll say it's we'll use the same formula, which is n, where this n we say it gives us the remaining one. Okay, so n, then we'll say n final is equal to n initial, okay, I initial or O, then open bracket half like this to the power n. So in this case we divide by n this side and also n. So once you do that, we remain with here what we're going to remain with is just 1 over 2 to the power n. So this is the formula that we use to find the fraction that will decay or what will remain. Okay, so we use this formula. So here we need to find the value of n. How are we going to find the value of n? We have this formula here. When you talk of half-life, we say number of lives is equal to number of half-lives is equal to t total time taken over half-life. So this is what the formula that we use. So here we'll say n is equal to, so here the total time is what, 32. So here 32 days is the total time. So there we'll say 32 over, here we have 8, the half-life is what, 8 days, so we put what, 8. Then this and this, how many times can 8 go into 32? It's what, 4. Okay, it's 4 because 8 times 4 is what, 32. So 8 can go into 32 4 times. Then we get this one, the replace where there is what, n. So here we'll say half like this, then to the power 4. So here to the power 4 we'll say we are saying that 1 to the power 4 is 1 over 2 to the power 4 is 16 here. So it is 16. So here we say this is the fraction that will remain after undergoing a series of disintegration for 32 days. So here the fraction it is 1 over 16. Okay, 1 over 16 will remain. 1 over 16 will remain after 32 days. 32 days. Okay, so this is how we can answer. If I told the question was to find what fraction will have decayed after 32 days, so here we would have subtracted this one from 1. Okay, so we would have 15 over 16 that would have decayed. So here what will remain is just 1 over 16. Thank you. Okay, next question here. Iodine 131 has a half-life of 8 days. If a sample of iodine 131 has an activity of 600 counts, what will be the activity after 24 days. So here it's not the fraction that we want to find or to calculate. We are calculating the counts. Okay, so here calculating the counts, we are saying that we use the same formula, which is n f, which represents the final, the one that we are going to calculate now here. Then n o or I represents what? Initial. Then 1 over 2 to the power n. Okay, where this one represents the initial. So in this case, our initial count is what? This one, which is 600 counts, the one that we are going to put here. Then n here, number of what? Half-lives we don't have, but we have been given the information that can help us to find the number of what? Half-lives. Okay, so here we'll say we'll apply the formula, the same formula. N is equal to total time over half-life. Okay, half-life. So here we'll say n is equal to total time, here it's 24, over half-life, here it's 8. This into this, how many times? N is equal to 3 half-lives. Okay, so 3 half-lives. Here we replace, where there is n, you replace by 3, and where there is n or, which is initial one, initial count, to replace by this one. So the question is, what will be the activity after 24 days? So we are going to find what will be the activity after 24 days. So here, where there is n initial, replaced by 600, then open bracket, we say half, like this, to the power n here. So to the power n, you replace by 3. Okay, so this is what we have. Then we say 600 times 1 over 8. Okay, 1 over 8, where we said that half, we're multiplying half 3 times. Okay, multiplying half 3 times, so we get 1 over 8. Then this one into this, how many times can this one 1 over 8 go into 600? Okay, so we can use a calculator. We are saying that 600 times 1 over 8. Okay, so here the answer is 75. So here what we are going to have is 75 counts. So 75 counts is the answer. Okay, thank you very much for viewing this content.